Hey everybody, we're at Willare Roadhouse there behind me. I'm Karen, this is Jono.
Hi there.
We've been for a drive out up the May River, but we're going to start with showing you the Pt3 River, which we're not even allowed to get to anymore. We can't
It's
even
a long
walk.
way down there. We might get the drone to it. But...
We'll fly the drone and have a look, see if we can see the river. I was going to fly over the road, but that's a long way. I'm not allowed to walk anymore. Home point has been updated, that's what I was waiting for. Don't want to fly anywhere until that happens. So we're going up from Willare, up, 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 up. Wait, look down. That's looking up, let's look down. Derp. There's where the road is closed. Let's go up a little bit higher. Road's closed. That's where we were walking last week, down the river, down the road. Let's change it to sports mode and get the hell down there. Let's see how far we can go before we lose signal. Let's go up. Higher up we go, the more we'll see the bridge. Up, 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 that's 40 meters. That's all the works going on down there. That's why we're not allowed to drive down there anymore, because they're working on the road, the other side of the bridge. Go up a bit more, have a look at the water, then down a bit more. There we go. Oh, look at that. 40 meters, 30, 40, 35, 40 meters. There's the big trucks going across the bridge, so the bridge is in good condition. Well done, guys. Hence why we're not allowed to walk down there now, all the work going on down there. The river's dropped beautiful. Look at that beautiful river. Ah, that's awesome. Gonna stop here and get a photo as well. Oh, wait, something's climbing on me. We stopping to take a photo. Oh, weak signal. Recording again. All right. It did say weak signal. I don't know how far I want to go. I did want to record the road and show you the work going on down there. Let's go up, see what we can see. There's the big truck coming past. That's the big truck that just came across the bridge. That's the big truck that just come across the bridge. No, I can't see much. Bit of local Kimberley meat. Oh, feel like can't catch barramundi, but we can still have a Kimberley catch and cook. Catch that meat, John.
A round eye? What's a round eye? With that dumpy Rod Jenkins, where you go?
Go Jenkins Earth moving. Get that road built. Hi everybody, Karen from Positive Fishing here. It's Saturday morning. Normally on a Saturday morning we would just chuck everything in the car and go and get breakfast at the servo and lunch, buy something for lunch, take down the river, go fishing because we're too excited, we just go. This time everything's a bit different because we don't know if there's any supplies left in the servo. So the rest of the town's worrying about stock supplies, the shelves on the shops are all empty because the trucks aren't coming in. But we've got a beautiful mango smoothie for breakfast with local mangoes. Thanks all the local guys that gave us mangoes again this year, with some frozen spinach, why the green colour, and made a nice sausage sandwich from the local butcher's sausages that John picked up yesterday to take with us.
I woke up this morning, I was in a spin. I faced the day with my head caved in. I'm feeling lonely and I was feeling blue. I realized there's only one thing for me to do, and that's go fishing. Yeah, I'm going to fishing.
Oh my god!
Well, I never catch no fish, but it helped me chase the blues away.
Wow! Kimberley rivers are bloody amazing, aren't they? We really didn't know what to expect. There has been a lot of rain, like we knew there was more water coming down from further up. This is the May River. Oh, we'll just put a link here to show you what it was like last time we drove here and we couldn't get to the main river, and then we'll get the drones up and have a look at the river and see how much. Wow, just can't believe how big that is. You can hear the river. John's saying you can hear the river from here. Alrighty, this is pretty cool. Looking now at that little gutter. This was a little gutter that we couldn't drive across. Now it's a very big gutter that we can't drive across. Panning up now to go and look at the main river. Yeah, I reckon it would be joined. I'm having a look now. That's the gutter still. That's the road going to the right where you would normally drive. That's the gutter to the left now. That's the main river up there, obviously. That's the main May River. That's the gutter. That was just a tiny gutter yesterday, which, if I pan around here, must get onto the main river. That's it. And if I just pan around, we're still going up. There we go, 120 metres. Noting down the bottom right-hand corner there, that's the road, which we would have tried to drive around to the crossing. If you look across the river now, right in the middle, I'll put a little arrow there, that's where the road comes out the other side. Alright, I'm in normal mode. I might put it in sports mode and just scoot down there. We can hear the river, so it's obviously down there. Blowing forward now. It's obviously down there is the part of the river that we can hear rushing. So I'm going to start coming down as I drive forward and have a look at the river over there. Let's put it in sports mode and speed across there. Yeah. Uses the battery a lot faster, but it's not actually that far. Wow.
Way over there, aren't you?
I'm away over the river now, yeah. on the Kimberley Down floodplains on the Gibb River Road. There was no road closed sign. There's no way we would drive on a closed road, but I'm pretty sure there should have been. Look, hey, looking at those washouts that we drove over, there probably should be a road closed sign up, but there wasn't. So we're not breaking the law. I'm going to get the drone up and have a look. Oh, there he goes. Home point has been updated. Home point has been updated. All right, let's go up. I'm just going to go up and have a look. We're at the Kimberley Down floodplains. Just want to show you the extent of the water. There's us. That's the Gibb River Road to the right. That's a track into one of our favourite fishing spots there on the left. And let's go up and have a look at the Kimberley Down floodplains. That's the May River to the right, and the Gibb River Road there, and somewhere away around here to the left, away over there, is the Pt3 River. Not that, that's just a farm track. That's the floodplains. Getting dizzy yet? There's the Gibb River Road. Let's go up to 120. There we go, 120 metres. Pan around. I'm going to get some photos and then have a quick look around. Recording! Yes, I'm ready! I'm ready! Let's do it! Let's... Ah! Cheeky bugger. Cool. That was way cool. Sure.